What's up, beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for your love and support. To all my channel members and all my supporters, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Silent viewers, big up yourself. If this is your first time, a warm welcome to you. Feel at home, enjoy your stay. While you're here, hit that red subscription button. Put the post notification bell on so you'll be notified of future uploads. Right here in Sister J's kitchen, I do things simple and easy. My way, my version, and my style. I cook food, I eat food, and I talk about food. As you can see by the title, I'm doing some kale today. Kale have great health benefits, guys, and it is rich in vitamin K, vitamin C, and it's rich in calcium. So I'm just going to do a simple kale recipe. Alright, come along with me.
Jay, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend, them comment, like. Sister Jay, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. One leap of spice of it there in the pot. Sister Jay, she no play to the world where we say when not time to cook, she no delay. Me swear.
So here I have the kale already stripped, washed and cut up. And here I have bell pepper, onions, and garlic. Over here I have parsley, lemon pepper, vegetable seasoning, onion powder. Here I have olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice if you choose to do this recipe. I'm using olive oil. So I add some olive oil to the pot, followed by the onion and the garlic. I'm going to saute this down a little, and then I add the kale to that. Got to be careful, don't let the garlic burn. So now it's time to add the kale. I'm just mixing this up a little. And then I start to add the rest of seasoning to that. So here I'm having the vegetable seasoning, followed by some lemon pepper, onion powder, some chili pepper, and just mixing this up. I'm going to saute this down a little, and then I add the bell pepper. Put everything and get it incorporated and saute it down a little. When it comes to kale, you don't want to overcook it. Smells so good, guys. So it's almost time. Count it down. And my kale is ready. There you have it, my beautiful people. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, where you wait, pan, go ahead, man, do the do. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Live good, work good, pray good. One love. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. Please subscribe for more from Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine. where I cook food, talk about food, and eat food. Thanks for watching.